This is the ProLogic safe lock system from SECURAM Systems. You can tell the ProLogic because it has an LCD screen. When you press any of the buttons, the LCD screen wakes up and it allows you to do some programming. The ProLogic comes in a variety of different options, different models, from the ProLogic L01 up to the ProLogic L66 and ProLogic WebLink. Depending on the model num that you select, you have different features. This one in particular is an L66, which has most of the features available except for network connection. The next model up would be the ProLogic WebLink, and it would have network connection so you can do remote programming. This video is going to take a look at the ProLogic and opening the lock with the two default codes. By default, our lock comes to you with two default codes. 111111, that's what we call the supercode. It identifies as ID slot 00. It has a second code, which is called the manager code, 123456, and it identifies as ID slot 01. Now, we can add a whole bunch of users to this particular lock, but those are the two that it comes with. So here's how you open the lock. Enter 111111, verified as ID 00. It says lock is open. I turn the handle, and now the lock is open. And I can open the safe door. Now, I'm going to, again, close the bolts, and you'll see that it says door closed. Now, with the L66 model, it has audit trail. And we use this with what's called a status lock. The lock body that we use here has an internal sensor that allows you to tell that the door is open and the door is closed based on its bolt position of the lock itself. So you'll see with the status lock, it comes up and says door closed. If you didn't use a status lock with this lock, which you could do, it just wouldn't be able to report on its audit trail the accurate time of when the lock closed or the door closed, because it doesn't know when it's open or closed. It just knows that it opened. It never knows that it closes. So it's important to use a status lock with anything L22 and up, because it has audit and it'll give you that additional information. If you didn't use the status lock on the audit, it would show door open at this time and door closed immediately thereafter, because it doesn't know how long the lock is staying open. All right, the second code that comes with this lock is 123456. It identifies as ID 01. It says it's verified. Lock is open. I can turn the handle, and the door is open. I can then turn the handle back, and it comes up as door closed. All right, so that's how you open the lock with the ProLogic series.